Pushpa Murjani and I'm over 50 and I'm working in a special school as a fundraiser and now it's been nearly 12-15 years since I've been connected with the school, and I'm also a trustee of the school. But before that, I had taught in Anza Special School for about 6 years, and rest of my life I've been traveling, going different places in the world. Like I was there in Suriname for about 4 years, then I went to Spain. I stayed there for 10 years. Most of my time I spend on the net, going through different I have Twitter, I have 7 blogs where I discuss things, and I do writing, I write poems, I write fiction, I'm a member of the different clubs. I have writers club, and then I have photography club, and I have my food club. So during every time I keep attending all this, and I'm very social, like to meet people, like to travel. I have been around the world, and every holiday when it's rainy season I want to get out from India. So I normally go abroad. So I've been all over, and I have relatives all over the world. So I just have to buy the ticket, and lodging boarding is free. Life is good, and I'm not married, no children, but I'm not missing it because I am really enjoying my life. I've always had, and there's nothing actually missing in my life, and I mainly keep friends with youngsters because I love youngsters, and I'm always learning from them new things, and then I teach my own age people what I learn from children. So like the children teach me the latest what is in social. Like last week my nephew taught me Dub Smash, and I started making films started sharing. So my age people want to know how they do, and they don't want to ask their children because children don't want to teach parents anything. So I teach them, and then WhatsApp is there, so we keep sharing ideas. So life goes on, and I think the people should not stop living by 50, because 50 is the age where children are grown up and you get the me time. You can start enjoying life, because that is the time when children are grown up, they want to college, they have their own friends, and you have time to yourself, so you can do your own, devote your time to enjoying yourself, go for movies, go for parties, go for social meets, and kitty parties also is a good idea. You can meet people of your own age. For sharing ideas you need people of your own age also, but 30s and 40s is a very good age to mingle with because they have a lot of ideas. My message to the people who are above 50 is that don't give up on life. Live, because life is really beautiful, and there is lots and lots to do. And go spend your time in the spa, because spa is something you can afford after 50, and go for massage, and go for Thai massage and all that. So you can really enjoy life. And now even the Bollywood films are really churning out good movies, so enjoy yourself, go for plays, and go for sessions. Different sessions are there. Enjoy yourself, that is what my mantra is.
हमारे जैसे 50 यंग लोगों के लिए 50 यंग चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अभी आज ही इसी वक्त.
The path is always cleared once you decide what you want to do. Money is not a criteria, finance is not a criteria. You have to be really, really willing to do something. If you want to do something, it happens. Like if they say that according to the universe, like it always proves you right. Whether you say I can or I can't, you are always right.